The Universal Splint Immobilizer is new. It offers various applications with only one splint shape. This splint can be used for various finger, thumb, and wrist applications, volar index and middle finger, volar fourth and fifth finger, dorsal index and middle finger, dorsal fourth and fifth finger, dorsal fifth finger by folding around the finger, dorsal thumb by folding around the thumb, dorsal thumb without folding, volar wrist by folding around the thumb. To start, measure from the tip of the injured finger to 1 hand width below the antecubital. Then, cut the desired length of the splint and round the edges. Open the padding and place the padding half with the substrate on the patient's volar arm. To get a customized splint, mark a line in the middle of the substrate towards the palmar crease and follow this line. Cut this part out of the substrate and round the edges. Next, place the substrate back into the padding and trim the padding to the size of the splint. Activate splint with water. Position the splint on the patient's volar side and make sure the splint is located close to the fingers. Cut the complete splint near the finger area to give the fingers some protection. If the thumb is the injured finger, take the splint and wrap the exposed part around the thumb. To achieve a strong fixation, anchor the bandage at the wrist. Go around the thumb twice and through the web space, and up the arm by overlapping the bandage by 50%. At the end, fixate the bandage with tape or a hook and loop fastener. Please make sure that the patient is still able to move the fingers, can even flex the thumb, and move the index finger and thumb to pick up objects. Position until the splint is in a rigid position. Mold as prescribed by the physician.